going to attempt to make a bootable USB using DD. So I've got my SanDisk here, 16GB. I don't know what it's formatted in a minute, looks like FAT32. It's SDC, so I'll just write that down. That's what I want to make a USB out of, Parted Magic, because it's brilliant. Right, and so here's the instructions. So sudo dd if equals / well, that's an effort. In fact, you don't need to do that. You can just right click on that, copy and paste, and that's going to give the pathway to it. And then output file equals dev, and what did we say? SDC. I'm going to put a block size of 1 million again to make it fast. Okay, that should be it then. I'll try it. So it's going. I didn't put a progress and status on it, so it ain't going to tell us when it's done or how long it's got left to go. But it shouldn't be long anyway, because it's only it is 400 megabytes less than. Okay, it's done. That was quick. Just make sure. Right. Okay, let's see if it works then. Well, let's see if it boots. Should be set up to automatically boot from that USB anyway. Yep, it's done it. This is a brilliant bit of software. Parted Magic. If you ain't got it, get it. Takes a little while to boot up, but yeah, it's fully loaded. It's got loads of good stuff on it, this has. G-parted, disk cloning, Clonezilla, erase disks, all these lot. Photo ret, Q photo ret, test disk. I wonder if it's got DD and DD rescue on it. Let's have a look. Yep, got DD on it. So in fact, I think I'll just say DD rescue view. So yep, it's got both on.